Howdy folks, we're going to start a new project here with a new tool I just got off on Amazon. My grandpa helped me get it. It's paid for. It's not a sponsorship, none of this is. But anyway, we got a Best Arc. It's the version 3 plasma cutter. All I got is a little air compressor, so I don't know how this is going to go. We practice on some other stuff. I got to cut this circle out. So the project is, we're going to weld a chain hook onto this bucket here for putting a chain for lifting stuff. But anyway, that metal on the bucket's kind of thin, so I've got this piece of 3/8 here. I'm going to cut a circle because that'll help so that the chain hook doesn't pull through. But I'm going to try and set this up so that I can film cutting this with the Best Arc. No review yet, we're just playing with it, Danny and I. Dan's at work today, so I'm doing this by myself, but let me see if I can set this up to cut. Alrighty folks, quick update. You can see there, I cut that out with this Best Arc version 3, and I got my piece here, and I welded my hook on. Not a super fancy job, but it'll super work, I think. And that great welding there, farm welding, not fancy welding, farm welding, came from this Everlast Power MIG. I think it's an i2000 inverter. What do we got here? Power iMig 2000. Yeah, super machine. I've had this, I don't know, 5 years, and it's been absolutely great. One of the best investments besides a toolbox full of tools for a shop. So next thing to do is to weld it on the bucket. Well, we got it finished up here, our heavy duty chain hook on the, as you can see here, the welding didn't go the greatest. I had some gas issues, and then I ran out of welding wire, and then I put new welding wire in, and so I went over it again. But anyway, there's the heavy duty welding hook on my dirt bucket for the tractor. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.